some tips about this raga, theoretical and practical norms. Sindhu Bhairavi raga is ubiquitously found worldwide raga. It is first, it was emanated from India, I think so. But it is found nowadays always all the parts of the nook and corner of the world, especially in the Arab countries, Saudi Arabia and Gulf countries, and other parts of the world. I am still remembering one incident. Somewhat 5 or 6 decades ago, I was seeing an English cinema called Lawrence of Arabia. There were many occasions I felt very, very happy because Sindhu Bhairavi Ragam or the Bhairavi Ragam of the Hindustani music is used many parts of that film. When the prayer songs of the band music of, it is so called in Kerala, say India. Sindhu Bhairavi Ragam. Almost 90% of the prayer songs, even the